Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I am in one of my Wi-Fi locations and I stopped by my mailbox to pick up my mail and I had 3 packages, okay? Today is April 3rd, okay? See right here? It says April 3rd on all of these. April 3rd, Wednesday, hump day, okay? So, if you're here, you landed here because you're looking for a way to make money online. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, okay, and I show you how to make money with online programs and offline programs. Today, I'm here to talk about 30-day success formula. Actually, I'm here just to show you guys some results I'm getting with the program. It's an awesome direct mail program. They've been around for 4 years, okay. That's what I like about it. They're solid. They will do upfront advertising for you, okay, for 200 letters, okay. There's no other company that's going to do that for you guys. It's going to give you upfront advertising, okay. Then they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, and out of 4 years they've been around, they haven't had any refunds, okay. So that's why I was super excited about getting started, and you can get started as low as $89, okay. So I'm going to try to go through these real quick because I'm in this Wi-Fi location. All right, so 3 packages, okay. We're going to start with this one. Okay, this looks like Sean is the name of the person for this one. April 3rd, okay? So we'll open this up real quick. Okay? Let's see what we got in here. Okay. So we got an envelope. Alright, let's see what we got here. You guys got to get in this program. It's awesome. I've got a cover letter for you that I'm going to share with you to include in your mailings. And I'm going to give everybody 200 leads to get started if you come in at level 2, and it goes up from there. So give me a call and I'll tell you about that as well. So here we go. All right, so I don't want to show his information. Oh my goodness. Okay, it wasn't. This is a indirect. This should have been cash, but the guy sent a money order. It's level 2. This is an override from my folks. Level 2. Okay. So you came in at level 2, so my override is $50. Okay. So got $50. That's one. Try to do this as quickly as possible, guys. Here's another one, April 3rd. Let's check this one out. Oh, this thing is interesting. Okay, here we go. All right, another one. I want to show people's information. So, let's see what we got in this one. Okay, another level 2. That's a $250 level. I make $100 from that level. This is Lene. Welcome, Lene. I don't want to show her address, but I'm just going to show you guys level 2 up here, okay? So that's $100. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and I already got 50 from the other person. Okay, next one, April 3rd, right here. Okay, let's open this one up. Okay, Rental. Welcome aboard, Rental. Out of Florida. Okay. Let's see. All right. All right. Let's get this one. Let's see. Level 2. That's another $100. That's $250s. Boom. Okay. So, Rental. Level 2. Alright, so that's $250, guys. It came in the mail today. Okay, so you too can join this program. So reach out to me, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. I'll see you on the inside. Join me in the 30-day success formula. Okay, you can't lose with this, trust me. Okay, let's talk. See you on the inside. Have a blessed one.